Hi children, in before this what we have learned? We have learned about water cycle. Yes? Today we are going to discuss about why this water cycle is important. Okay, what we are going to discuss? Why this water cycle is important. Can you tell me why this water source is important? For what purpose this water cycle we need? Yes, nothing but children, this water cycle is, we need this water cycle mainly for rain. We are getting rain. Yes or no? See here, the mountains. We can see the water from this mountains. It comes into the river. From the river, it gets as a stream. It gets into the stream, so that the air will cool the stream and forms a small tiny drops of water, small cloud, and then all the small clouds form a big cloud with big tiny drops of water, and we are getting rain. Yes or no? Then tell me, what happens if we get rain? What happens if we get rain? Just tell me children, how is water cycle important for us? How we are getting rain? What is the use of rain? Yes, when the rain gets, what we can do as a man, as we are a human beings, we drink, we wash, we clean, everything we will do with the water. Yes or no children? Not only us, animals also need water to drink, and some animals live in the water, fish, dolphin, all this. Yes or no? Without water, fish can live? No, it cannot live. So, water will fill the rivers, oceans, sea, lakes, ponds. Yes or no? Water will fill it. Okay? So that we are getting water in the rivers, so that we can drink some fresh water. In the oceans, what is the use of water in the oceans? Yes, if the water is there, we can do it as a water transport. Without water, can we make in water transport, children? No. So seas and oceans also filled with water. It is helpful for transport. Yes or no? With the ships. And also animals live in the water like fish, all also need water. Not only man and animals, plants also need water to grow. In our home, do we keep water to the plants? Yes. So plants also need water. But and one thing, we are not doing any forest or any other roadside plants. We won't keep the water. Then how they are growing, children? Yes, nothing but when the rain comes and falls on the ground, this soil will soak it. Yes or no? The water will go underground. We have learned that underground what source of water we have? Groundwater. What are that? Groundwater. Under the soil we have groundwater, so that we are getting the water into the tubes, hand pumps, hand tubes, wells. Okay, from this only we are getting the water in our home. Okay, we are not going to any rivers or ponds or seas or somewhere. We are getting water from the groundwater. See here, that is the nature. We are not doing anything. So nature. Soil soaks it for groundwater. When the rain falls on the ground, the soil will soak the water and it goes under the ground. So we are getting the underground water. Okay, and also cools air. See here. And this water will cool the air. We have learned here. When the strings go up, the air will cool. Yes or no? And it forms into a clouds again. And a small clouds becomes into a big cloud. Small drops becomes into a tiny drop. Tiny drops comes into a big tiny drops and falls as a rain. So this is the topic today about water cycle is important. Okay, children?
Yes, children, open your textbook page number 109. Importance of water cycle. The rain fills the ponds, lakes and other water bodies. Water in rivers, lakes, etc. is used for drinking, growing crops and many other day-to-day activities. Importance of water. See that picture, children? Yes. Animals also use water to drink. Some animals live in water. Plants need water to grow. Water cycle is important for us to live. Did you know? Every drop of water passes through the water cycle sometime. Now open your volume children, page number 8. Write the date. Water cycle is important. Number 1. Label and complete the diagram of water cycle. I think now you can draw the water cycle and you can label it. So complete that figure and label it. 2. What will happen if water does not change into water vapor in a water cycle? If we don't have any water cycle, then what will happen? Write the reason. If water does not change into water vapor in the cycle, how this will affect? How farmers will affect if there is a no water cycle? Write the reason. What will happen for farmers and what will happen for deer in the jungle? Okay, if there is a no water cycle, what will happen for both of them? You write the reason. Third one. How will a poor water cycle affect the water level in the well? So if we have a poor water cycle, what are the effects in the well? Right here.